Question number 30. Find quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3 for the data set below. What I'm going to do is for this one, yes, we're going to find quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3, and that will be the answer. But I'm also going to put here as well that we want to find the 5-number summary and draw box plot. And that is just for like extra. You know, it's not really going to be the answer for this question, those other parts. And the interquartile range. So let's do the quartiles first. That'll be the answer, and then we'll just continue with that. So one thing I want to point out as well, quartile 2 is referred to the median. Now we know quartile 1 is the 25th percentile, quartile 2, the median is the 50th percentile, quartile 3 is the 75th percentile. So we have options. We can do it the same way that we did for question number 29 when we went to find the first quartile. We can use this formula here. The first quartile is the 25th percentile. So basically we want to find a term that represents the 25th percentile. Or like we did for number 28. But we're not going to do it that way. What we're going to do is for this question is, let's zoom this in a little bit better. Let's put our numbers in order from smallest to largest. So I see 2.0, 2.1. I see 1.9 actually, so that's the smallest. I see a 2.9, a 3.1, 3.4, 4.7, 5.0, 5.4, 6.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I missing a number? Let's see. Okay, I have everything that I need. I miscounted. So the first thing is we're going to find quartile 2. Quartile 2, is the median of the data set, which is the middle number. And if there's two middle numbers, you add the two middle numbers, then divide by 2. Let's start crossing off the ends. As you can see, there are two middle numbers here. So to find quartile 2, which is the median, that's going to be 3.1 plus 3.4. And then you divide that by 2. This is going to be 6.5. divided by 2, which is 3.25. And this here is quartile 2 / the median. What we're going to do is we're going to take numbers, every number below the median, and find the middle of those numbers, and that will be quartile 1. So to find quartile 1, is going to be the middle value of numbers below the median. Numbers that are below the median, below 3.25, that's 1.9, 2.0, 2.1, 2.9, and do not forget about this 3.1, because 3.1 is still a number that is below the median of 3.25. And then you find the middle of those numbers. And the middle of those numbers is 2.1. So this right here is quartile 1. Then we do the same thing for quartile 3. To find quartile 3, that is the middle value of numbers above the median. And the numbers that are above 3.25 is 3.4, 4.7, 5.0, 5.4, 6.8. Then we find the middle of those numbers, which is 5.0. So quartile 3 is 5.0. So there you go. We found our 3 quartiles. Q1, 2.1, Q2, which is the median, that's 3.25, Q3, which is quartile 3, that's 5.0. And this is the answer to the question. Now, you can stop the video here, or we can go on just to explore other applications that can be useful when you're doing your homework, or perhaps could even be on your exam. Let's find the 5-number summary. So the 5-number summary, let me also draw a line under this. Let's zoom out a little bit. Oh, come on, tablet. Let's zoom out. Okay. When it comes to the 5-number summary, that consists of the quartiles, the minimum value, and the max value. So we already found the quartiles. We need to find the minimum and the maximum. So min, quartile 1, median, quartile 3, and then max. I'll put it over here. Quartile 1 was 2.1. The median was 3.25. The maximum was 5.0. The minimum is the smallest value in the data set, and the smallest value in the original data set is 1.9. The largest value in the original data set is 6.8. So this right here is the 5-number summary. If I ask to find the interquartile range, and we call the interquartile range the IQR, that is the difference between your third and first quartile, quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So if we want to find the interquartile range, which is the IQR, quartile 3 is 5.0 minus quartile 1, which is 2.1, and my interquartile range equals to 2.9. And then last but not least, if we was to construct the box plot. Okay. The minimum value is 1.9. So let's put this right here as a dot. 1.9 is the min. Quartile number 1 is 2.1. So we'll put that right here as well. Let's kind of line it up. 2.1 up here. The median is 3.25. So halfway between 3 and 3.5. Quartile 3 was 5.0. So we put that right here. And the maximum value is 6.8. And we can put this right here. What we're going to do is we're going to connect the first two dots together through a horizontal line, and the last two together through a horizontal line. Okay, that one completely missed. Then we're going to draw a box that passes through the second and fourth dot. So kind of like this. And then we're going to draw a vertical line down the median. And although it's not a perfect drawing, but that is how you construct your box plot. So yep, there you go. The original answer is up here, the one with the stars. But if asked for the 5-number summary, it's down there. For the interquartile range, that's right there. And for the box plot, it's right there. Take care.